respected teachers, juniors, and my fellow mates. Today, I, Vaishnavi, and I, Anjali, of class 11th A, representing Mahatma Indian House, are here to dedicate our speech to our two true visionaries.
October 2nd is not just a date on the calendar. It is a day to remember and celebrate the life and legacy of the true visionaries.
This year makes the 154th birth anniversary of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, affectionately known as Bapu, the title given by the people and recognized as the father of our nation.
He was bestowed with the title Mahatma by Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, signifying the one with the greatest soul.
Today, we came together to reflect on the values that guided his life and his relentless struggle for freedom.
Gandhiji's core principles revolve around two fundamental tenets: Ahimsa, which stands for non-violence, and a fervent commitment to peace. He upheld the virtues of honesty, integrity, and non-violence in his actions and beliefs.
As a student, there is much we can learn from his life journey. Gandhiji's commitment towards truth teaches us the importance of honesty and integrity in our academic pursuits and daily lives.
His unwavering belief in non-violence teaches us the power of peaceful resistance and the need to resolve the conflicts without resorting to aggression.
There is something called Satyagraha, which means strength of truth. He showed that you can reach your goals by doing what's right without hurting anyone. He inspired many people to walk on the path of truth and non-violence, a way of living that still helps and guides us.
Equality was another principle close to Gandhiji's heart. He fought against the evils of caste discrimination and worked tirelessly for the upliftment of the oppressed.
His simple lifestyle was centered on the idea of service and minimalism, which offers a stark contrast for the materialistic world we often find ourselves in today.
It underscores the significance of finding contentment in simplicity and serving humanity selflessly. Gandhiji's life was a testament to simplicity. He wore simple clothes, lived modest life, and believed in the dignity of manual labor. He said, "Be the change you want to see in the world."
And how can we forget our great leader Lal Bahadur Shastri, who was born on the same day as Mahatma Gandhi. He followed the idea of Mahatma Gandhi and was known as the man of peace. He was the first to introduce the water canals to stop the angry mob instead of lathi charge. अंत में हम अपनी वाणी को गांधी जी के कुछ विचारों के साथ विराम देना चाहेंगे।
अहिंसा। मैं हिंसा का विरोध करता हूँ क्योंकि उससे पाया हुआ समाधान बहुत कम वक्तीय होता है और उससे पैदा हुई नफरत हमेशा के लिए।
साहस। दुर्बल लोग कभी क्षमा नहीं कर सकते, क्षमा करना तो बलवानों का गुण है।
सेवा। अपने आप को खोजने का सबसे अच्छा तरीका है अपने आप को दूसरों की सेवा में खो देना।
विश्वास। अपने उद्देश्य पर दृढ़ विश्वास रखने वाला सूक्ष्म शरीर ही इतिहास के रूप को बदल सकता है।
अमन। मैं मरने को तैयार हूँ, पर ऐसी कोई वजह नहीं जिसके लिए मैं मारने को तैयार हूँ।
सोच। व्यक्ति अपने विचारों से निर्मित प्राणी है, वो जो सोचता है वही बन जाता है।
सत्य। खुशी तब मिलेगी जब जो आप सोचते हो, जो आपके